Hello students, Dr. Rita Bajpayee here. I am Head Department of Chemistry, Dr. Jwala Prasad Mishra, Government Science College, Mungeli. Today we are discussing about molecular recognition. This topic is from 4th semester, paper 3rd, optional A. Let's we start molecular recognition. The term molecular recognition refers to the specific interaction between two or more molecules through non-covalent bonding such as hydrogen bonding, metal coordination, hydrophobic forces, van der Waals forces, pi-pi interactions, halogen bonding, electrostatic and or electromagnetic effects. Sometimes solvent can play a dominant indirect role in driving molecular recognition in solution. So molecular recognition is the selective binding with a purpose, or we can say molecular recognition is the energy and the information involved in the binding and selection of substrates by a given receptor molecules. तो हम मॉलिक्यूलर रिकॉग्निशन की स्टडी किस में कर रहे हैं? सुप्रो मॉलिक्यूल्स में और मैक्रो मॉलिक्यूल्स में, जिन मॉलिक्यूल्स में एक रिसेप्टर और सबस्ट्रेट, या हम कह सकते हैं कि लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल्स हैविंग स्ट्रक्चर लाइक लॉक एंड की, substrate and receptor. This type of molecules are called supramolecules, or molecules which are molecules interact each other and form a huge molecule or a large molecule having different types of property and different type of character. We start from atom with covalent bonding in inorganic, organic and polymer chemistry form molecule. Then non-covalent interaction form supramolecule and assemblies. This is called supramolecular chemistry. And the function in material science, it becomes a devices. So attraction and affinity, selective binding and fixation and reaction. This is the molecular recognition. This is supramolecule having a receptor, a ring of molecule, intermolecular interaction and a cavity having substrate. So what is molecular recognition? It is not only the interaction between substrate and receptor, but it is well defined set of intermolecular interaction. Binding of substrate sigma, receptor rho to form a supramolecule. The complex is characterized by its thermodynamic and kinetic stability and selectivity. So, supramolecular chemistry is chemistry beyond the molecule, and the recognition is storage and readout of molecular recognition. Now molecular recognition plays an important role where in biological system and it is observed in between receptor ligand, antigen antibody, DNA proteins, sugar lectin, RNA ribosomes, etc. An important example of molecular recognition is the antibiotic vancomycin. This vancomycin is selectively binds with the peptide with terminal D-alanine and D-alanine in bacterial cells through 5 hydrogen bonds. The vancomycin is lethal to the bacteria, since once it has bound these particular peptides, they are unable to be used to construct the bacterial cell wall. There are some examples of supramolecules. These are crown ethers, cryptates, spherents, and macrocyclic molecules are called supramolecule. So, molecules which are large in size and macrocyclic, having property of the host guest, key lock, or substrate and receptor, etc., are supramolecules. According to their property, molecule has cavity for cations like potassium ion, lithium ion, strontium ion, calcium ion, ammonium ion, etc. This is due to stability and selectivity of sigma binding result from a particular set of interaction sites in a given row receptor and arranging them in a suitable pattern. In this process, an amount of energy needed. The collection require more energy than orientation. So various type of molecular recognition are molecular receptors are recognized. Here are some examples of molecular receptors. Now A is monocyclic, B is bicyclic, C is cylindrical in shape, and D is spherical in shape. Here are some crown ethers without substrate molecule and with substrate molecules. Now we talk about types of receptors. There are types of receptors. Number one is macrocyclic receptor. Macrocyclic receptor, it is through planned organization, depends on the nature of fragments. Example, crown ethers, superends, and taurines. Number two, acyclic receptor. Example, podents. Number three, monotopic receptor, possess a single receptor unit and bind a single substrate. Number 4, polytopic receptor containing two or more separate binding unit. Number 5, macrocyclic receptor. Example, macropolycyclic receptor. Example, cryptans, spleens, spherents, cavitans, carcerans. Some more receptors are macrocyclic. For example, calixarene, cryptophan, tryptophans, cyclopenes, etc. There are some examples of macrocyclic supramolecules or macrocyclic molecules. The cryptate, protonated cryptate, this is spherents. These are the cryptates. Now, properties of receptors. रिसेप्टर्स की क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं? Receptor molecules have different arrangement of groups and geometries. They differ in size, cavity size, and cyclic order, connecting groups and characterized by molecular graph and by the corresponding index L subscript T is equal to connectivity, cyclic order, connectivity plus cyclic order plus dimensionality. Dimensionality means size. The size and shape of receptor's cavity depends upon nature of structural units. The rigidity and flexibility of cavity depends upon the nature of structural units, subunits, and graphical representations. Overall, different types of receptors shows some differences in above mentioned properties. So, in supramolecular chemistry, we discussed about molecular recognition and types of receptor molecules, and in next lecture we will discuss about types of recognition. Thank you.